Namaste, Mother Nuggets. I'm here. The first thing I want to say is I want to know what you want to see. What do you want to see? Write it in the comments. Let me know. Do you want war games? Do you want role-playing games? Do you want just hobbying? Do you want hobby discussion? Probably not. All right. I'm not a very good painter. Don't ask me for I mean, I can give some paint videos, but they're not going to be very good. Have a look at what I've got in the works. Let me know what things you would like to see me make. So let's start with that, and then I'll tell you what's going on. Namaste, Mother Nuggets. Welcome to the first video in a very long time. A lot has happened, and there's a good reason why I have not been doing gaming videos, I assure you. And all going well, this is going to pick up soon. As you may know, my mum passed away recently, almost a little over a year now, or a little under a year now. But I've been dealing with a whole bunch of stuff to try and get through that. So I spent a long time looking after her on her decline. I spent a long time trying to get the house sorted. And there was a lot of stuff there. Like, we bought that house in 1997. And so clearing all that out, and eventually we ended up just getting my aunts to kind of do the bulk of the work. Even though we spent weeks and weeks dealing with it. And I had to go back to work and wasn't able to just get it done. And at the time I was working at a very unhinged school, which was very violent with very unsupportive staff. And since then I have given up my permanent job as a teacher there and ended up doing temp work as a teacher elsewhere, at a more local school, which is much nicer, 1,000 times nicer, and I feel a lot safer there, and I feel a lot more supported there, which is great. I'm also on the Vyvanse, got some ADHD technically diagnosis. I don't know where it fits, but I'm medicated, and that's made a big difference, and that's very recent. That's like the last month. But as you can see in this footage, my gaming space has gone to absolute garbage. It's gone crazy. A lot of the stuff that was at my mum's house is now in my garage, and so that I've lost that hobby space, and a lot of the stuff that was in there has kind of moved into the front room, which is also a space I share with my little kids who love playing games as well and love getting involved. But it sort of means that I don't have that hobby space to do stuff with. I don't have a place to invite people to come play games and stuff, and it's very stressful. The house is an absolute mess because we're both busy working, with young kids. It's very difficult to stay on top of all of those things. So, long story short, my hobby, everything, is kind of on hiatus. But we're coming to the end of that. I'm trying to get a hobby cabana set up where a lot of that furniture that we got from my mum's place will go, so that we can then store the stuff in there. But as you've seen, we've got lots of books, lots of comic books, things like that I want to put in there. So it has to be done right. It has to be, vapor tight. We live in a place where the climate is quite conducive to damp and mold and things like that, so I have to make sure that I do it right. I've asked multiple companies to come and help me get it done for a reasonable price, and most of them have not come through. and it's been a big pain in the butt organizing that, so I'm currently trying to find someone to do that. Once I can do that, then I'll have a whole space. It'll be a workspace for storage, but also for me to play games, me to record videos, invite people around to have games and stuff. It'll be great. But we just got to get there, right? And in the meantime, I'm not getting a lot of hobbying done. A lot of my hobbying is in the process of building things, painting things, and a little bit of emotional shopping. Shopping spree therapy, right? Retail therapy, they call it. And so I've been doing a lot of stuff. I've started going to the local club, gaming club, where I'm starting to get into some more historical stuff. I've started learning the old Warhammer rules, had a couple of games of that, and so putting stuff together. I've been playing War Master a fair bit, and that's a fun game. And as you can see from the footage, I've been using my 3D printer to print off billions of armies of that and storing them. I've made these little storage boxes for my bolt action stuff with like the tactics. Kind of looks really cool. You've got like the camouflage paint on it, make it look like a hard case, tactical hard case. And obviously I've got the Flames of War for portable wargaming. Probably do a bit of nuts and stuff like that. So there's lots of things in the future. I've got a little bit of time coming up later in the month. It's my birthday. I'm going to be getting some time to myself where I might try and do a portable game and make a recording or two whilst I'm hanging out in a hotel in the city for my birthday. That'll be exciting. And yeah, hopefully soon we'll have a bit more. I'm also talking to people about getting my website redeveloped. And that's great. We're doing Neuro D&D with the Neuro Awesome group. And so we've got lots of fingers in lots of pies. I've got a bit of a connection to In-Games in Mossvale. I highly recommend you go visit it if you have not. Big shout out to them. And so yeah, lots of things happening, but not a lot of filming or filmable content. But soon, more content soon is the promise I'm making to you. I just want to throw this up to let you know that I'm still alive and things are going well, and hopefully we'll get some actual games soon. So thank you. If you haven't yet, please follow us on the social medias and check out all those things, and let me know what you want to see me play. I've got I'm trying to learn some historical stuff. Am I going to lean into more solo gamey type stuff? Am I going to lean into more sort of campaigny type stuff? Do you want to see role plays? Do you want to see war games? Do you want to see actual like hobbying? I'm not a very good painter. That's not going to be like really a big thing, but let me know. What do you want to see? So thank you for watching. Ciao for now. Please let me know what you want to see in the comments below.